everyone and welcome to this video. So today in this video we are going to cover fundamental rights. This channel will help you with UGC NET paper 1 and paper 2 social work, and it is presented by Hiteshi Arora. This slide itself contains two very important questions that can come in UGC NET exam. First is, under which articles fundamental rights are there? So from article 12 to 35 fundamental rights are there. Now the second question can be, under which part of Indian Constitution fundamental rights are there? So that is part 3 of the Constitution. Articles 12 to 35 of Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights. These human rights are conferred upon the citizens of India, for the Constitution tells that these rights are inviolable. Right to life, right to dignity, right to education, etc. all come under one of the 6 main fundamental rights. Now, what are fundamental rights? Fundamental rights are the basic human rights enshrined in the Constitution of India, which are guaranteed to all the citizens. They are applied without discrimination on the basis of race, religion, gender, etc. Significantly, fundamental rights are enforceable by the courts subject to certain conditions. Articles and fundamental rights. This you have to learn and it comes in the exam. Right to equality is under Article 14 to 18. Right to freedom is under Article 19 to 22. Right against exploitation 23 and 24. Right to freedom of religion from Article 25 to 28. Cultural and educational rights Article 29 and 30. And right to constitutional remedies Article 32. Now, right to equality, we are going to do all these articles in detail. Right to equality, Article 14 to 18. Right to equality guarantees equal right for everyone, irrespective of religion, gender, caste, race, or place of birth. It ensures equal opportunity, employment opportunities in the government, and ensures against discrimination by the states in the matter of employment on the basis of caste, religion, etc. This right also includes the abolition of titles as well as untouchability. Now, right to freedom. It is covered under Article 19 to 22. Freedom is one of the most important ideals cherished by any democratic society. The Indian Constitution guarantees freedom to citizens. The freedom rights include many rights such as freedom of speech, freedom of expression, freedom of assembly without arms, freedom of association, freedom to practice any profession, freedom to reside in any part of the country. Now, right against exploitation. Article 23 and 24. The right implies the prohibition of traffic in human beings, beggars, and other form of forced labours. It also implies the prohibition of children in factories, etc. The Constitution prohibits the employment of children under 14 in hazardous conditions. Now, right to freedom of religion. Article 25 to 28. This indicates the secular nature of Indian polity. There is equal respect given to all religions. There is freedom of conscience, profession, practice, and propagation of religion. The state has no official religion. Every person has the right to freely practice his or her faith, establish and maintain religious and charitable institutions. Now, cultural and educational rights. That is under Article 29 to 30. These rights protect the rights of religious, cultural, and linguistic minorities by facilitating them to preserve their heritage and culture, Educational rights are for ensuring education for everyone without any discrimination. Next right to constitutional remedies from Article 32 to 35. The Constitution guarantees remedies if citizens' fundamental rights are violated. The government cannot infringe upon or curb anyone's right. When the rights are violated, the aggrieved party can approach the courts. Citizen can even go directly to Supreme Court, which can issue writs for enforcing fundamental rights. So that's all for this video. If you like this video and find it of some value, please like and subscribe and share and press the bell icon so that you get the updates whenever the video is posted. Thank you so much.